On this episode of OK Garage, we're in the kitchen. We're going to be using a Z-Star to make not jalapeno poppers, but green chili poppers. They're called New Mexico poppers also. We're going to use the Z-Star that I got my wife a couple of years ago, and she says it's her favorite present that she's ever gotten. So this is kind of our early Christmas special on gift ideas. So we'll get to making these right quick and get them in the grill.
Okay, so whenever we've made these before, they're really good. 10 out of 10 recommend. So whenever you start, you're going to want to have whatever you're using, like these, the jalapenos or the peppers. You're going to want cream cheese, but most likely 2 of them, and then cut them evenly. You're gonna have bacon slices, and you're gonna need toothpicks. So whenever you start off with these, you're going to want to take the top off and the seeds out, because you don't want seeds and you don't want the top. So you're going to start by using one of the cream cheese, and you're going to stuff it into the pepper. It's kind of hard to do, so yeah. In there sometimes.
We're gonna cheat.
Use a tool. You know, that's a good idea. Next one. Do we use 2? Yeah. Got it. Starting on the next one, which is cool. This one's easier to get in there because it's wider. Okay, let me break it in half to make it easier. That would be 2. That one's slim, or slim. Yeah, this one's slimmer, so it's going to be easier to get on. They're fun to make, and they're very, very good. So
These might be the best ones we've ever made. Well, we've never made them. These may be the best ones because they're going to be stuffed all the way down there.
Yeah. That one's kind of fun.
You can feel the pepper expand when you get the cheese in there this morning.
This one's smaller. A fail.
Okay, go rinse that one off. So we're just pushing it in there. Stuff that way. Maybe move your fingers.
The pockets. It's definitely a challenge, but it's fun. Really fun to do. Get in there.
Get somewhere in that one.
Okay. Let me rinse my hands.
All right. Get these out of the way. Then we wrap, and this is thin bacon.
Put it over the top. Yeah. You use toothpicks to hold the bacon in place. There we go. Yeah, that's good.
I'm just kind of stretching it out as I go
Yeah.
around.
No other seasonings are needed because, I mean, there's bacon on it.
Right?
It's pretty self-explanatory.
Bacon's its own seasoning.
Yes.
This is thin bacon. I don't know if I mentioned that. There we go, head to toe, alternating the green chili peppers.
And if you have any leftover bacon, then I can do a cool little trick that I did, or me and my mom did when we made these.
stuff, so break that around. Again, we're moving these alternating head to toe. And we're laying them in here. Taylor has a trick for the last piece.
So, I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's called a bacon nut. You just take the bacon
Okay, wipes to take the juice off of my hands. Okay, so using this thing is easy. Hit the power button. What you're gonna make, we're gonna roast, and it cooks it for 22 minutes, and we hit start. And it times it and goes, and everything is gonna be perfect. But you can reheat French fries in this thing. It's basically an air fryer. But a souped up air fryer. You can do meats, sausages, hamburger patties, all kinds of stuff. Sky's the limit. So anyway, wife said this was her favorite Christmas present that I've gotten for her, and I just turned it off.
Okey-dokey.
And there we are. Easy peasy to fix. Alright, with the magic of television, 22 minutes has gone by. And there's a little bit of a cheese mess, but there's no bacon mess. So the house doesn't smell like bacon, and the cheese is still going to be delicious. It just comes right off anyway. Alright, so this is just like a street corn mix that my wife got. These are going to be boiling hot.
Yes.
So I'm going to spin this around and eat one of the tips.
Good idea.
Pull the toothpick out. Bacon is crispy. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. There's a perfect use for the cheese. Get in the very tip.
Okay, there we go.
That's amazing. So, if you just need a quick meal for a small family, 4 of these. I took the 2 small ones. My wife and daughter will take the bigger ones. And then this salad, and you're set. But like I said, it's a perfect Christmas present. Covers all the bases, and when the weather's bad, you can still make supper. So anyway, Merry Christmas everybody. Happy New Year.